In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your spark plugs and coils on a 2009 to 2019 Toyota Corolla. First thing you want to do is remove the engine cover. Just lift up on it and it should just come right out. Working with any electrical components is always a good idea to remove the negative terminal of the battery. To remove the wire harness on the coils, push down on the little tab and then pull out. Using a 10mm socket, you're going to loosen the bolts on the ignition coils. Now you can take out the coils, and I like to put them in the order that I take them out of, but if you plan on changing them, then this doesn't matter. This plastic cover could get in the way while taking the coils out, so it's just clipped in. You just push it out of the clips and then it'll give you a little bit more room. You're going to need to use a 9/16 deep socket to take out the spark plug. After breaking it loose, you can loosen the rest of it by hand. If you're trying to diagnose a misfire, this is the 4th cylinder. Right next to is 3, and then 2, and then 1. So it goes in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1 being the passenger side and number 4 being the driver's side. I don't have a 9/16 spark plug specialty socket, so I'm going to show you a different way on how to get your spark plugs out. For any of the tools that I'm using, I'll have an affiliate link in the description. To get your spark plugs out, just pull your coil back into it and it should take out the spark plug. Now when putting in your new spark plugs, put it with the screwable part facing downwards. The 9/16, start off by hand screwing it in first. Now you can use your ratchet and start tightening it. But if you plan on torquing it down, you torque it down to 15 to 18 foot-pounds of torque. Now you can put the coils back in. Now you can put the coil screws back in. Use a 10mm to tighten them. It's not really necessary to use a torque wrench, but if you do, it's 7 foot-pounds of torque. But if you hand tightening it, you just tighten it till where it's snug. You don't over tighten it. Now you can plug back in the electrical connector until you hear a little click. That's how you know it's locked into place. Now you can put the engine cover back in and you just push it into place.